everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make Korean gimbap. If you have these two tools, you can make it very easily. One is called gimbal. It's made of bamboo. And the other is this embossing rice paddle. This embossing part will be really helpful when you are spreading the rice on the seaweed. You don't need that many ingredients to make gimbap delicious. So today we'll make gimbap with the minimum ingredient. Freshly cooked rice, yellow pickled radish strip, egg, imitation crab meat, spinach, carrot, seaweed for sushi roll, plus a pinch of salt, rice vinegar, and minced garlic, sesame oil, and sesame. Let me show you the pre-course of these ingredients. I usually remove the stems because some dirt could remain there. You have to blanch the spinach. When water boils, add the rinsed spinach into the water. Submerge them in the water. Wait for 10 seconds and overturn. Wait for 10 more seconds and it's done. Then take them out and drain it for 1 minute. Mix the drained spinach with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and some sesame. I prepare carrot with potato peeler. In this way, the solid texture of carrot turns tender to chew. You heat the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Fry the carrot for a short time, like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Because these are very thin, you don't have to fry them for a long time. Break 3 eggs. Mix them. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and cook the egg. Actually, I used 3 eggs here, but later I found it was too much for 4 gimbap. You just use 2 eggs. The thicker, the better. I prepared 4 bowls of rice. These are from 2 cups of rice. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Vinegar will add fresh taste to the rice and prevent the rice from being spoiled. Pinch of salt and some sesame. And mix them. If you want to learn how to cook rice, you can watch my previous video. Here I used my rice cooker. You spread the rice on the seaweed. This embossing rice paddle is really helpful. Sticky rice cannot stick here. Many people use their bare hands or spoons, but I don't like get my hands sticky. You put the ingredients one by one. And then you put egg here, the spinach, and carrot, and crab meat. You can replace this with beef, bulgogi, tuna, or pork. And this is 단무지 or yellow pickled radish. And I always put this at the end, so it will work like a wall, when you are rolling it. Get this. This will stop other ingredients like this. Then it will hold all the fillings so that you can roll it more easily like this. See?